If there's no information, how do you delete information? We select Settings, Folder Options, then scroll down to Label, Levels. After selecting it, choose the first stable option. Here are two pieces of information. If we want to delete this piece of information, we select it and then click Delete. Delete it. It will say that the information in the ratio you exist in is gone, but the main interface will still display the original information content. So what do we do? To replace it, we click this. Then click this. If you haven't selected it, just send it to print. All right, now it has completely changed and shifted perfectly to this new line.